we're here. I forgot to tell you that we are in Okada, but why we come here is because we're going to Tito B Boy's room. Mommy! Mommy, look at the apartment. Bakit na
Now, pasok na tayo sa room.
1148 like that?
Yeah.
1149. 1148. I correct. Can I do the honors because I know it?
Seal.
Oh my god. Hello.
Aha. Ito pala. Asa si Jace?
Ha?
Sour yellow.
Yeah,
I know. Oh, I know.
Ano to?
What's this room?
Room pala. Uy, dito ka pala. Ba't nag-swimming na kayo? O, di pa kayo makit sa taas. Nag-work ka, Jace? Siya shopping pala. Can I see? Whoa!
It's filling up water.
They're washing it.
There's so many bats. I'm trying to. I know what to use the water. I want to touch it. I want to.
Whoa! Anong view?
Dagat.
Dagat.
Oh, there's the pool. I'll try to touch it. You want to see it? We blow the bubbles. Mommy!
Wow, nice. Let's go. Halika, let's go daw. Taas. Nice boy.
Ay, nakaupo na kayo. I'm gonna go to the pool.
B-boy.
Get out! There. It's my turn to use it. Give me that platform so I can jump. Ma, jump. We are in a VIP. We're in a VIP room. Look. Look.
Let's
How
go.
can you get VIP? How can you get VIP?
Walking. I don't know.
You have to search on Google. That's fine.
Pagka, Jace, pag mamaya baka pagising mo na madaling araw, wala. Pagkakasino. Stop walking. Wow. Halika na, let's go. Watch the fountain show. Ayan. Saan? Wala. Try this. Tika. Caleb, galingan mo. Wait, wag ka muna magulog. Gantayin natin si Daddy.
No, how about Tito B-Boy?
Tito B-Boy. Ikaw daw, marunong ka ba, boy? Oh.
Ay,